Hello, travelers. Welcome back to Traveling Beyond Boundaries. My name is Michelle, and I am going to share with you today the outfits that I am bringing my daughter for our Alaska cruise. For our previous cruise, I brought way too many outfits. It didn't have things organized very well. Long story short, we flew and then bought more stuff, and then, anyway, my dinosaur is in the background, too. So this cruise, I'm going to sort it by outfit, and that'll make things easier. My dinosaur ran through here right before this, so things are a little disorganized, but I have this warm jacket for her. I do also have a waterproof jacket that I'm probably going to bring. I might not bring this one. I might bring her spring jacket. I haven't decided yet, but I'm bringing a jacket plus a waterproof jacket for her. She's getting 2 pairs of pajamas. These are long sleeves, no feet in them. She prefers summer pajamas all year round. These are just shorts and t-shirt kind of things. She needs one-piece pajamas for a couple of reasons. One, because she's in diapers and she will go into her diapers. And 2, she has a feeding tube, and this just keeps it a little more secure than shirts riding up and stuff. So anyway, one-piece pajamas, bringing both. She'll probably end up wearing this one more often than this one, but figured it's Alaska, and this is adorable. This isn't very thick either. It's quite a thin one. But anyway, this outfit here. So we did bring this part to the Bahamas cruise with us. Some of this I'm just literally took out of the wash and it's being repacked. When you only have like 2.5 weeks in between cruises, you do what you can. So this is coming back with us. It was really cute on that cruise. Looking forward to using it again. And then socks, which we did not pack any socks because we only wear sandals, both me and her. So socks and jeggings. Jeggings go with everything. So we have another pair of jeggings, another pair of socks. I just grabbed random socks. I don't care what socks go with what outfit. This strawberry dress also went on Bahamas as well. These both are sleeveless, or short sleeve, I should say. So I just wanted some short sleeve stuff for her because she does tend to run a little bit warmer. I do have a dress coming in the mail, but I wanted to film this. So there is a dress coming in the mail. I'll try to maybe insert a picture of it right here, over here. So that is also coming, and that will match a dress that I'm going to be wearing. So that one is sleeveless for me, but maybe not for her. But that will also be coming, and also whatever outfit she wears on cruise day, travel day, flight day, whatever we want to call it day. So she will have 2 more outfits, I just realized. So I probably have too much clothes, but whatever. It's 11-night cruise plus 2 nights pre-cruise. Then just have a hoodie with black pants. There's the train and socks. I love this outfit so much, and I'm like, I have to bring the mountain outfit. We are going to the mountains. It's necessary. These are just pants that were clean and some socks, and then this is the long sleeve shirt that went on Bahamas and never was worn. Then we have this outfit here, kind of a mix-mash. I really like these pants. These pants are from the Bay here in Canada, and they're really soft. She has the it's a 4-piece outfit. It comes with 2 t-shirts, a pair of pants, and shorts. And this outfit's so soft. But I'm not bringing the t-shirts because I prefer the longer t-shirts, especially with her feeding tube. It just covers it a bit better. Whereas this, she's constantly pulling it up and whatnot. So anyway, just bringing, this is long sleeve. This one is long sleeve as well. This is a long sleeve, but not like a long one. It's a typical length. So this one might end up being pulled up by her, but we'll see. And these pants. And then this was the most adorable formal night outfit ever. In Bahamas, she did not wear these tights. I bought them and brought them. But for Alaska, I probably will put them on her. And then she has these cute little black shoes that are still packed somewhere. So figured 5 outfits that we're packing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 for formal nights, so this one and then the dress I showed you earlier, and then 2 pairs of pajamas, and then whatever she wears on travel day, which I'm probably making matching shirts for me and her. So there you go. So like I said, 11 nights for Alaska plus 2 nights pre-cruise, 1 night in Calgary and 1 night in Vancouver. and we will either hand wash or use the self-serve laundry, or because of my status, I think I get free bag laundry as well. So we are going to do laundry on this cruise and see how well this goes with having 5 outfits plus the 2 formal, 2 pajamas. It's a lot of clothes, but she is very messy. Very messy. We went through multiple outfits a day in Bahamas sometimes. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below, do you think I've overpacked, underpacked, just right packed? Maybe I need more shorts? I don't know. I don't know the weather and don't know the weather. I'm bad for that. But that's where she's going to wear probably shorts on travel day because it's 1,000,000 degrees here. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will be posting a video of what I brought if I haven't already. I think I'll post mine first. Anyway, thanks so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.